She said it was for school clothes, but Bodycam tells a very different story.
And the rest is hers, right? I did.
Hello, I'm Officer of the City Police. You have ID on you or anything?
No, just my phone.
Just your phone? Okay, what's your first name?
That is the other girl.
How do you spell your first name? Okay. Do you have anything else on you other than just your cell phone?
No.
Okay, you want to stand up for me? We're just going to go out to my car and just talk about what's going on, okay?
Okay. I wanted to.
You're going to be detained for now.
Yeah.
For questioning. You want to hold it?
Yeah, if you want to hold it for me.
Can't hurt.
I'm going to double lock you so they don't tighten up on you, okay? I'm not trying to catch your hair or anything. Okay.
I'll give it to her.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You decide at any time to exercise these rights to answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Yes.
Have these rights in mind? Do you wish to talk to us now?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me what were you doing over here?
Just going. Trying to get these school clothes for them.
Are you just over here trying to get clothes for kids for school? Okay. Was it your intention to not pay for any of the clothing items?
Got 14 today.
Okay. Okay. Who was the other girl that you're with?
I don't know what her name is.
Who is she to you then? I'll ask that. How do you know
I'll
her?
just say associate from Facebook.
An associate from Facebook? Okay. Okay. Do you know her name? You just don't want to tell me?
No, that's where everybody's going.
Okay. I mean, do you know what her real name is? Or you just don't want to tell me?
No, she's just an associate from Facebook.
Okay. How old is she?
If you're watching this unfold, hit like. It helps us bring you more real body cam footage.
I think she's in teens too.
Like she's still in like high school?
Yeah.
Okay. Does she live there in the Lex with you, or where does she live?
I don't know where she is.
You have no
I
idea?
picked her from here.
Was she picked you up? Or?
I got dropped off here.
Okay. So when you guys came here, it was 100% intention to just take clothes and walk out with them, not pay for them? Okay. Okay. Have you ever been in trouble for retail theft before? Have you ever stolen before? Okay. Well, why would you do it now? Huh?
Trying to earn some quick money.
Okay. What were you going to do with the clothes? You're going to sell them? Okay. How are you going to sell them? Just out of curiosity, like on Facebook Marketplace, or how are you going to do it? Facebook? Okay. Alrighty. So you didn't come here to get clothes for your kids, you just came here to get clothes to sell so you can make some money? Okay. Okay. I assume you're probably not working or anything? No job or nothing? Or are you working? Where do you work at? Oh, where at? I'm sorry? The district? Okay. Okay. Do you think they're going to be happy hearing about this? Okay. Alrighty. Well, I appreciate you being honest with me. It goes a long way. I got to wait for them to tell me how much the total is. Sounds like it's going to be a felony amount, which is over $300, unfortunately. So, unfortunately, it sounds like you just caught your first felony. Okay, and that's going to really dampen any chance of getting a good job. Okay, so just take this as a learning experience. And your honesty and whatnot going forward on with the state's attorney and all that stuff and prosecution, it's going to go a long way in your favor, I promise you. Okay. So, like I said, you're being charged with retail theft. I don't know if it's going to be a felony or a misdemeanor. I got to wait for them to tell me how much it is. It sounds like it's most likely going to be, but like I said, I got to check with them, okay? And you've never been arrested at all, like for anything? Is this your first time at all being arrested? Okay. Alright, Kalasia, so it's like over $600 worth of items, the clothing items that you took, specifically you. So it is a felony. Okay, so you're gonna be going out to the Peoria County Jail for tonight. Okay. So the I can tell you the total right now of yours. Yours before tax is $646. The clothes here aren't cheap, I can tell you that. It doesn't take much to rack up.
I know that.
So. What's the case number?
13616.
Said 13616. Okay.
For real police body cam videos you won't see on the news, subscribe now.